Hey everyone, welcome back to Compare Core. If you're thinking about upgrading your coffee game or diving into the world of espresso at home, stop right there. Don't spend a single dollar on an espresso machine in 2025 until you see this video. We've tested and compared some of the absolute best machines out there, from budget-friendly picks to pro-level beasts. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. So grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's find out which espresso machine is actually worth your money this year. Number 1. The Sowtech Espresso Cappuccino Coffee Maker. Alright, let's kick things off with a serious budget champ. This little guy doesn't use a fancy pressure pump like most espresso machines. Nope, it's steam-powered, old-school style. And that actually makes it kinda cool, because it's a throwback to how espresso was originally made before all the tech came in. Now, is it real espresso? Not quite. You're not getting cafe-quality crema or deep, rich flavor here. But if you're just getting started, live in a dorm, or want something super compact and wallet-friendly, this one's got your back. Bonus, it has a milk frother, so you can whip up basic cappuccinos and lattes at home. Honestly, for the price, it's hard to hate on it. Just know what you're getting into. It's closer to mocha pot vibes than a full-blown barista machine. But hey, not bad for a coffee throwback. Number 2, the Mr. Coffee Barista. Alright, let's talk convenience. The Mr. Coffee Barista is one of those machines that says, "Hey, I got you," especially if you're just looking to whip up a latte or cappuccino without the drama. What sets it apart? That built-in milk carafe. Instead of messing with a steam wand, this thing froths and pours the milk for you. It's almost like having a mini super automatic machine in your kitchen, but for a fraction of the price. Now, it does use a pressurized portafilter, so technically, you're not getting real cafe-style espresso. But let's be real, if it tastes good and hits the spot, who cares? It's beginner-friendly, super simple to use, and ideal for folks who just want good coffee with minimal effort. The only real downside? You don't get much control over the milk texture. But if that's not a deal-breaker, the Mr. Coffee Barista is a solid pick for everyday, no-fuss coffee lovers. Number 3, the DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso Machine. Alright, so if you're looking to dip your toes into the espresso world without spending a fortune, the DeLonghi Stilosa might just be your move. It's one of the cheapest legit machines out there that still makes solid espresso-style drinks. Yeah, it's got a 15-bar pump, but don't let that number fool you. Most pros shoot for 9 bars, and this one runs a little hot. Still, it gets the job done for everyday use. The steam wand is a Panarello, which is fancy talk for easy mode milk frothing. You can control the temp and even mod it for a bit more hands-on feel. It won't win any barista awards, but for lattes and cappuccinos at home, it slaps. Bottom line, if you're just starting out and want something affordable that works, the Stilosa's a solid pick. Just keep your expectations in check, and you'll be sipping cafe vibes from your kitchen in no time. Number 4, the Casabrews Espresso Machine. If you're after cozy cappuccinos and creamy lattes at home, but don't want to drop major cash, the Casabrews might just be your new best friend. It kinda looks like the DeLonghi Dedica, but it's cheaper, sleeker, and even throws in a pressure gauge and a pro-style steam wand. That's wild for the price. Now, let's be real. This ain't for hardcore espresso geeks. If you're not into dialing in grind sizes or tweaking every little detail, this thing's made for you. Just pack it, brew it, steam some milk, and boom. Coffee shop vibes from your kitchen. The pressure gauge? More for fun than function. But the machine? Solid value. You might not get commercial-grade durability, But for daily lattes and chill weekend brews, it totally delivers. So yeah, budget pick with barista flair, Casabrews is killing it. Number 5, the DeLonghi Dedica EC680M. All right, if your kitchen is tight on space, but you still want to get into the espresso game, the Dedica EC680M might be your dream machine. At just under 6 inches wide, this little guy can squeeze in anywhere. But don't let its size fool you. It's packing serious potential. You've got pressurized baskets out of the box, perfect for beginners. But here's the cool part. This thing is super upgradable. Swap in a bottomless portafilter, mod the steam wand, tweak the baskets. It's like espresso Legos for grown-ups. Temperature control? Yep, 3 settings. Solid heat stability too. And because it's such a fan favorite, modding it is easy with tons of support online. If you're thinking long-term but want to start simple, the Dedica is that perfect in-between machine. Small footprint, big potential. All right, guys, that wraps up our list of the best espresso machines you should actually consider in 2025. Hope this helped you get a better idea of which one fits your vibe and budget. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Compare Core for more honest breakdowns and side-by-side product reviews just like this. Also, I want to hear from you. Which machine are you thinking of getting? Or maybe you're already using one of these at home? Drop a comment down below and let's chat. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay caffeinated and take care. Peace.